So, greetings everyone. We welcome you all at Ezyschooling, and today we are having with us Indu Sharma ma'am, who is the principal at Sunderdeep World School, Ghaziabad. We welcome you, ma'am, and it is a pleasure to have you with us here today. So, ma'am, there have been parents who want to know more and more about your school, and we thought what better than having you directly with us over here. So, ma'am, it would be great if you can tell us a bit more about your school and the philosophy that it follows.
Sunderdeep World School is a beautiful school. I believe whether you are planning to get your child admitted or not, everybody should visit. It's a large campus. We'll talk about that thing later. What philosophy we are following? See, the whole idea is to nurture the child. We take care of each child as an individual. Everybody uses this statement, but come here, see how we work on each child. I know the name and face of each and every parent of the school when they enter the school for any purpose, let it be fees or anything. I know why, and I ask, how is so and so child? So that is the way we get connected to our parents and each child. We know this child is good in running, this child is good in dancing, painting, everything. So each child is taken care as an individual, and we make best efforts to tap the potential of each and every child. The child should feel happy coming to school. It's not only about the child. I ensure that my staff, my teachers, my support staff, everybody feels happy coming to school. So that is our one philosophy, which I keep on saying in our meetings as well, that happy teachers nurture happy children. And this is one of our philosophy. Happy children nurture happy parents. So once the parents are happy, we are sorted. So that is the philosophy on which we work. So it's not only academics. We go much beyond academics to take care of the children. Well, vision of the school, I myself being a principal visualize and I imagine, I desire that each child should come out as a very responsible and intelligent citizen of the world, global citizen, who should be prepared with all the life skills and able to face the world, because we have to understand we are teaching our children certain things which we are not sure how they are going to use in their future professions. Future is totally uncertain. So vision is not to prepare them for any particular course. The vision is to make them a responsible, intelligent citizen who respects others, who values life. Life means any creature, any life, and is concerned towards the planet, healing of the planet from all the parameters. So if we are able to give such kind of child to the society, to the nation, to the globe, planet, I think we are very successful. So that is the vision.
Can you please let us know the extracurricular activities that the school focuses upon and also the curriculum that school focuses on?
School is a CBSE school, and we follow the curriculum, the guidelines provided by CBSE and our sister education authorities like DIOS, and whatever curriculum, whatever kind of activities they want us to perform from time to time, we do that. And apart from that, we take care of many things. We have a good sports area, swimming pool, music, dance, we have language lab, robotics. Lot of extracurricular activities goes in the way that we celebrate each and every festival in the school, irrespective of their religion, and it's celebrated in a big manner. I mean, students up to class 12, they have to do something related to every single festival happening, and we celebrate. One of the major highlight of the school is that we celebrate every subject's week, English week, Hindi week, SST. That helps the children to understand and enjoy that subject. Certainly, at certain times, a child is not very happy about studying maybe SST or maths. When we celebrate those weeks, child has to do some kind of activity related to that subject. Let it be a small activity or a project or speaking something or doing any kind of riddle or something, the interest develops. So to make sure that the child is happy doing all the subjects, happy studying all the subjects, we celebrate these weeks.
How has been the safety policies of your school, and how does the school ensure that the discipline is well maintained in the school?
Discipline comes from, I personally feel, uh, being together. And our morning assemblies are one of those aspects where we discipline the child, how to stand, how to move, how to conduct themselves. Then I have a brilliant set of teachers. They all are working 24/7. Actually, with COVID, every teacher was working 24/7, and they are always on their toes. We don't let the children go out, and if we give them freedom, they play, they enjoy, they laugh. Yeah, but no pushing, no shouting. School, we from day one we have been telling them it's a sacrosanct place. विद्यार्थी जीवन में सबसे ज्यादा त्याग करना पड़ता है. So short hairs for boys, pleated hair for girls. So there are uniform we are very particular about. The ties have to be right on the place. We have been through our assemblies, through our events, conveying to the children that when you are a student, you have to be very much neat and clean and disciplined. And that will add to the personality later on, not now. Today you will feel, "Amre itne chote chote baal katwa diye, how do I look?" You know, all those things. But as you grow, you realize that, you will be a very polished, well-groomed person.
So, thank you so much, ma'am, for clearing the doubts of parents. Definitely, it must have helped them to understand what exactly Sunderdeep World School is all about. So, to all the parents out there who want to know more about the school, you can click on the link that has been mentioned in the description box below. You can register and you can apply for the admissions at Sunderdeep World School through ezyschooling.com. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Ezyschooling team.